Okay, so we've seen a double angle formula. We're not given a triple angle formula, but we should be able to figure one out. So that's what I want to do in this video. What I'm going to do is simply say that sine of 3x, well, 3x is the same as 2x plus x. So I should be able to use the double angle formula for sine to simplify this down. And what I'd like to do is try to get to a formula where the only angle in the formula is just x. So right now, 3x is an angle that I'm plugging into sine. Here I've got two different angles, 2x and x. I want to keep simplifying until the only angle, the only thing I'm plugging into sine or cosine, is just x. Now, I'm going to encourage you at this point to pause the video and try to work that out. Just keep using your formulas until the only thing you're plugging into a trig function is x. Okay? Go ahead and do that. Come back when you're done. Welcome back. Okay, so if I use the sum formula for sine, this would be sine of 2x times cosine of x plus cosine of 2x times sine of x. Okay. So I've improved on things a little bit. I had a really complicated angle 3x, broken it down so that the biggest angle I'm plugging in is 2x. But I said I wanted to go until the only angle I was plugging in was x. So here and here, I'm going to use my double angle formulas. So I'm going to say we've got whatever sine of 2x is, and I'm going to put that in parentheses and multiply that by cosine of x. Sine of 2x is just 2 sine x cosine x. So actually probably I didn't need the parentheses here so much, but I'm going to need them for cosine of 2x because the double angle formula here gives me two different terms. I have three options for what I can use. I'm going to go with the most basic one, which is cosine squared x minus sine squared x. Okay. And then I'm just going to multiply things out a little bit. I can say this is 2 sine x times cosine squared x, because that's two factors of cosine. And then I can just distribute this sine. So plus cosine squared x times sine x minus sine cubed x. Looks like I can consolidate a little bit. This is one copy of sine times cosine squared. This is two copies of the same thing. So that's going to give me three copies of sine x times cosine squared x minus sine cubed x. Definitely not a formula that you should have memorized, but you could be asked to come up with a formula that expresses sine of 3x or sine of 4x in terms of just the only angle being x, and that's how we would do it.